What's up, y'all? ACS number. Hey. Today, man, I'm about to go do some mobile work. I don't do mobile work only for, you know, the people who, you know, been rocking with me prior to the blow up, because I'm blowing up. Speak to exist, I'm blowing up. For those who's really messing with me before, man. But getting all this stuff together, all these parts, I'm like steady doubling back. I'm like, oh, I got everything. Do I need this? Do I need that? I'm just trying to get all my pieces together, make sure I got everything. It's for my boy who sold me the trans for the turbo don't. Y'all make sure y'all follow him on Instagram for them parts. Anybody who ever needed parts that I didn't have, they could verify, man. I sent them to him. Bring my 1/2 inch just in case I might need it for the young oil filter. I need a wrench set. Get all my stuff together. And then shoot, I'm gonna cut y'all on once I get there. Alright, man, touchdown. I had to pull up for him, man. How to get it together for him. But I done started breaking it down a little bit without even recording. So get the dash out, get the old dash out, and shoot, we're gonna be on to something. Stay tuned. Alright. Check, make sure everything working. Brake on. Brake on. I don't see the turn signal blinking. Okay, left, right blinking, left not. The left work though. Okay. You gotta do inspection, man. You gotta make sure before you start taking stuff apart that everything working, do what it's supposed to do. The brake light staying on. So if I hook it up, I'm gonna see what he wanna do. If I hooked up the brake, the e-brake, which I do, then it's gonna stay on. So just like it's on right now. But it's up to him. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this bad boy. Make sure all the gauge is working, you know what I'm saying? Everything work. Yeah, nice and clean. Set speed calibration. We out. So y'all, we finally back. Y'all probably see on time lapse me out, in and out the car, in and out, in and out, in and out. Oh, my back is hurting. See, I told this man, like, man, I don't want to install your dash, man. No, Steve got to do it. Hey, it's clean, man, and it's in there. Everything work. Finna set the speed. Well, put everything in, mount it down, set the speed and shit. I'm going back home. It's hot.